Hello world and welcome to another video. Today we're solving the problem of creating a linked list. Feel free to pause the video and read through what the problem is asking for, but I find the examples a lot more descriptive. So given a linked list like this, we're asked to create this programmatically. As always, here's the solution, and we are going to be using Python. This first section of the solution is where we're creating the node class. As we know, the node is a building block of a linked list, and the node takes in a value and automatically sets the next pointer of that value to point to none. So here is where we're actually creating each of the nodes we're going to need. First line says A is set to a value of node with a data uppercase A. As you probably know, Python lets you assign multiple variables on a single line. So we're also creating B to a node with a value of uppercase B. As said earlier, by default, the next pointer points to none. That's why there are no links connecting these nodes yet. We're just creating multiple nodes. Next line does the same for C and D and also E. At this point, we fully created all the nodes and stored them in different variables. Next, we're going to have to assign links to make this an actual linked list, because right now all we just have is 5 nodes. And we do this by this line, a.next, which is the .next property of the A node, we set it to B. Again, we're using the single line assignment of multiple variables. We do the same for B. B.next points to C. C.next points to D, and D.next points to E. And now we're done with our linked list. However, we can also decide to be explicit. Since E has no next pointer, or should I say, E's next pointer by default points to none. So we can go ahead and write this out explicitly. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope this was helpful in showing you how to create a linked list, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.